Prosper for real, yeah. Yo, Shuma, Dan Franklin. Michael, you're too much of the street in a ton one lock. Me love it when you dig it, dagger, dig it and duck. You're the bad gala. You know me love it when you dig it, dagger. My woman, me love it when you man shake up your bum like dang diggy dang da. You know you're the bad girl around any dance where you boss. Michael, you're number one. So you do it like you double O. You no go give me trouble oh. You do it like you double O. You no go give me trouble oh.
Music.
Under control, Prosper for real, yeah. Yo, big up Avox ZW a million times. So I'm here for the hookup show, guys. Yeah. So Prosper's local biggest inspiration is Jah Prayzah. Why? Because his music is inspirational and it's spiritual, and I just love his music. Yeah, it keeps me going. Yeah. And why I take long to release new music is because my music comes from God. So sometimes when I don't feel creative enough, I just sit back and relax. But when I feel like writing a song, that's when I write a song, go to the studio and record. And I really want to put good music out there, so I really take time. Yeah. About collaborations, yeah, it's really good for the brand. It's really good because my music is all about family, and collaborations unite musicians as family, and my brand is all about family, so it's really good. On that issue, Persian Java's issue, I don't have a comment on that one. About the song Rebel, yeah, it's a great song. I really rate it 10 out of 10 because I put this other guy. He's a rapper, South African rapper, so he came up with a different flavor. So you know, it's really good. It's a good song. Yeah, man, bless up.
Mfana mikaya ndakam kona say
Cash Lips Mania,
tell you again,
Prosper for real, yeah.
Banditi, I know, yeah. Well, you know some bar, me say. Did it bucket, so I didn't marry, I said, no, uptown girl. Never could put out the plus one, the money, I'm gonna come on, say.
Fosse la buona schiri muri wa kumbare, makajuma kenyuka uptown.